In the previous videos, we have seen that there are substantial benefits of a circular economy. For aluminium, a circular economy implies that even if global production triples, primary production can be reduced and greenhouse gas emissions can go down. By relying more and more on the urban mine instead of the geological mines, we're able to maintain the stock, while at the same time gaining an enormous energy efficiency. That is, if we manage to increase the global recycling rates to 90% and keep it there during that whole century. In that way, it might actually be possible to reconcile the different sustainable development goals, enable developing countries to build up their economies, while at the same time reducing resource extraction and environmental impacts. Stabilization of the population and stock saturation may happen all by itself if we are patient. But increasing those recycling rates does not happen automatically. It means we have to do things. We have to change our whole system of production and consumption, as we have seen throughout this course. And then we must realize that aluminium is just one resource, and that there are many, many others. For some of them, recycling may be a good option. For others, not. For some, the change can be made by closing material cycles. For others, it may be more useful to consider the product or even the service. So much needs to change. It starts already with the design of products and materials. Design for robustness may cause products to have a longer lifespan. Design for disassembly makes repair easier and also makes separation of the different materials at the end of life possible. Material design for simplicity improves the recyclability of these materials. To make that possible, we will have to develop new business models based on extended producer responsibility. During the use phase, we have to make it more attractive to consumers to use their products longer and go for repair instead of replacing. Leasing instead of buying may help, moving from products to service. At the end of life, we will have to put in place infrastructure to capture all that waste and to access those urban mines. We will have to develop more sophisticated recycling processes and develop business models for urban mining. We will have to educate people in different ways that are now not very clear yet. And this also takes time. To make changes this big and this deep in society probably will take as long as waiting for stock saturation to happen. That means that the circular economy agenda is a huge agenda with a very long time horizon. At the same time, it's a hopeful and worthwhile agenda. Together with the energy transition, the route towards a sustainable development where all of the sustainable development goals are met.